Most people in Kenya think real estate is only for the rich, but that's not true. The truth is that you can start with very little money if you understand the game. And in this video, I'll break down how real estate in Kenya really works, and the best way to start as a beginner, and 3, how to avoid costly mistakes. First, you have to understand what is real estate. Real estate simply means land and property. In Kenya, there are only 4 major types of real estate, and that is land, rentals, commercial property, or in investing in real estate through stock market, what we call the REITs, REIT, the Real Estate Investment Trust. And you have to understand why real estate is also booming. So real estate in Kenya is growing because number one, people are moving from rural to urban. There's a lot of rural to urban migrations. People are moving to towns and cities, and there's a housing shortage. And the other thing is the new roads that are opening new areas. So that's why land and property prices keep rising. The best option if you want to start is buy places that are outside the town, not far from the city but outside, or not far from town but outside town. Okay, so if you're in Nairobi, places like Juja, Kitengela, Ruiru, Ngong, or if you're in a place like Nakuru, go outside Nakuru town. If you're in Kisumu, go outside Kisumu town. Places like Riyadh. And again, that's where the opportunity is, because let us be honest, this is where most people lose money. Ask around anybody who has ever been into real estate business. This is where most of them lost their money. And one problem was rushing to buy land without verifying the documents, or falling for cheaper deals and following hype instead of research. Watu wengi wanalia hapa kwa internet, wameuziwa shamba na this TikTok guys. Kamulu, umeuziwa shamba Kamulu, shamba hai exist. Unafulizwa hadi Yesu anakuhurumia. So before you buy land, always verify title deed and visit the place physically. And depending on what you want to do, just check the infrastructure. Things like roads and water is accessibility so easy. Ujikute umelipia shamba na uja confirm kama title deed iko. Kama ujui shamba iko wapi, uliambiwa tutuma pesa. If you happen to have 1 million plus, think about rentals. What you have to know, this real estate business is not a get rich quick scheme. Yes, and again, it's a long-term wealth strategy. It's a very, very, very good long-term wealth strategy. So shut the noise. So start where you are, learn as you go, and just stay consistent. It has built wealth in a smart way.